Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best LED lights for motorcycles on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Ditrio LED lights for motorcycles. With these incredible lights from Ditrio, you get the highest quality of brightness and reliability. For each material and component, Ditrio pays close attention to detail. These LEDs come with dual-layer PCBs, which is great because the double-layer construction is more resistant to twisting, bending, or pulling. The lights are fitted with advanced extruded silicone tubes that will not shorten their lifespan. I appreciate the fact that silicone extrusions are highly flexible, making them ideal for curved surfaces. These lights are fitted with an inductor for preventing instantaneous current changes and a capacitor for preserving voltage. The capacitor and the inductor work together to help keep the power supply clean. The design is integrated with 2 self-protective mechanisms for protection against reverse connections and short circuits. So, rest easy knowing that you will not blow the LEDs in case you make a wrong connection. What I don't like about Ditrio, however, is the fact that there is a possibility of receiving a kit of LEDs with quality control issues. Pros: they stick firmly and they don't come off easily. Dual-layer PCBs will not pull, bend, or twist. Silicone extrusions help to extend the life of the lights. They are protected against reverse connections. Don't suffer from instantaneous current changes. Number 2. Our second best pick is Govee RGB Motorcycle LED Lights Kit. Vibrant riding has never been easier with this incredible kit from Govee. You've got several advanced functionalities like RGB, music mode, and remote control. These lights feature 5050 SMD RGB LEDs, which is great because they are integrated with color-changing technology. Each SMD has 3 smaller chips with blue, green, and red chips in the individual LEDs. This unique construction is energy efficient, has superior light focus, can withstand rough application, and has excellent design flexibility. This advanced motorcycle lighting system comes with a pocket-sized remote control that allows you to turn on the lights as you want. I truly appreciate the dynamic lighting effects, considering that the lighting modes are programmed to match your mode. The 4 music modes allow you to indulge in music for a more breathtaking experience. Thumbs up for the multicolor variations that make animating your riding road a breeze. But the thing is, some kits may come with dim lights and even a faulty remote control. Pros: the RGB design is highly energy efficient. Ultra-long wires allow for cool installations for diverse bike models. They retain brightness and true color in extreme conditions. The 3M adhesive and heavy-duty clips provide a strong attachment. Multiple music modes make the lights more interesting. Number 3. Our third best pick is Hybkler 12-piece motorcycle LED light kit. Ride into the colorful world with this outstanding LED light kit from Hybkler. It has one of the best multifunction controls for superior versatility. These light-emitting diode lamps can be controlled using RF remote control, IR remote control, or the advanced app control. The multifunction control feature makes this kit easy to use. This flexible motorbike strip lamp kit is equipped with 16 static colors and 18 RGB colors to give your bike the most colorful illumination on those dark roads. You've also got 1 fading mode, 3 flashing modes, and 2 color cycle modes with adjustable brightness for the ultimate best performance. The 5050 SMD RGB lamps have a remarkable lifespan of more than 30,000 hours. The strip is incredibly long and ideal for most motorcycle models. You can crop the length you need for the best customization. But the thing is, the app control may fail to synchronize with lamps. Pros: multiple ways of controlling the light-emitting diode lamps. The premium layout keeps the lamps from burning. Easy to customize with adjustable brightness and multiple modes. The RGB construction is highly energy efficient. The super soft material of the strip is highly flexible. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is SUNPIE Motorcycle LED Light Kit. These high-performing motorcycle LEDs provide the stunning white, blue-green, yellow, pink, green, blue, and red glow. Not to mention that it is super easy to change color and brightness. This is a universal motorcycle light emitting diode kit, and therefore it has multiple mounting possibilities and uses. You can mount the lights on your bike, snowmobile, and even trailers. The strips come in different lengths, including 10.6, 8.6, 6.7, and 4.7 inches. This means you don't have to crop the strips when you want a specific length. You've got numerous functions to choose from, like fading, jumping, flashing, white, blue-green, yellow, pink, green, blue, and red. You can also adjust the speed at which the LEDs are changing colors. You can use the small remote control to conveniently turn the lights on/off and change colors. What I don't like, however, is the inconsistent quality control, because it is possible to receive a model with LEDs that don't work. Pros: different strip lengths for customized installation. The wireless remote works flawlessly when changing colors. Universal fitment makes this kit ideal for different motorcycles. Multicolor brightness boosts your visibility on those dark roads. 4 dimming levels for added versatility. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is NINEO Motorcycle RGB LED Strip Lights. This high-performing kit is suitable for a wide variety of bikes from Harley, Yamaha, Ducati, Indian, Suzuki, Victory, Honda, Kawasaki, BMW, and Triumph. The chips feature an RGB design, which is great because it produces over 16 million hues of light for the best lighting performance. Apart from the vibrant colors, the chips are ultra bright and exciting. You've got 18 color options to choose from and 4 intelligent modes of operation: brake, fading, flashing, and static. All the modes are easy to control with the RF wireless remote that has a remarkably wide coverage of up to 100 feet. You can ride in the rain without worrying, thanks to the latest waterproof sealant technology. Each strip has a self-adhesive 3M tape for quick and easy mounting. But the thing is, the wireless remote may come with dead batteries. Pros: highly energy efficient RGB chips. Many color options to choose from. Wide RF wireless range for easy remote control. Strong self-adhesive 3M tape mounts permanently. The latest waterproof sealant allows you to ride in the rain. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.